Hi, I'm Sana.
Hi, nice to see you all. Today our special guest is twice special member and a great performer and a great soloist, Nayeon. Ha 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 ha. Hi, I'm Nayeon. Nice to meet you all, and nice to meet you, Sana, especially.
So tell us about your new album. We heard that you are having a comeback with your second mini album, Na, and the title track ABC.
Yes, I am excited to show you my albums. Here it is.
Oh, wow, such a beautiful album cover.
Oh, thank you so much, 감사합니다.
Okay, now tell us about your experience, what kind of situation you have faced, and how did you enjoy the set and shooting?
Oh, in one word, it was just.
Oh my god, amazing. I am super excited for the album. Can we hear something? A little snippet.
Okay, sure, here it is.
Such an amazing song, I can't wait. So what do you want to tell your fans that what should expect from your album as well as from the title track?
It's a secret, but I can tell my fans that the album is full of. See you on my album release.
Okay, so our show ends here for today. See you soon in the next episode. Till then, bye bye bye.